Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change a single page into landscape on Microsoft Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. By default, Microsoft Word orients its page in portrait view. While this is fine in most situations, you may have page or group of page that would look better in landscape view. So how to change that page into landscape while the others is portrait? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Word. You can open the file that you want to edit. Okay, this one. Before that, you can just choose on the page that you want to change into landscape. You can block the text. Okay. Now, you can go to layout, click on layout on the ribbon menu in here. Click on page setup in here. Click left. Now, the orientation, you can choose on landscape. And you can apply to, you can choose on selected text. You can just click on that. Now you can click on OK. And it turns out like this. As you can see in here, only this page that turns into landscape and the other is still on portrait. It's very simple, right? This one is portrait and also this one is portrait and only this page that in landscape. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change a single page into landscape in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.